Hello friends, myself Raj Deepak Singh, and in this particular video we are going to talk on this the exam which is going to be conducted on like 7th of August 2021 for RRB PO prelims. Okay, look, the exam was conducted on first of August also, and like as I've told you in my previous video that I have given my exam in on 1st August in shift 4. So in this particular video I just want to give like a very short message, or you can say that a very an approach, so that you have an idea that what to do right now in these 3 to 4 days, because these 3 to 4 days is going to be very crucial whether you are going to get selected for RRB PO prelims or not, because certain factors which actually like is being like seen that what you are doing right now, based on that it is being decided that whether you are going to clear this exam or not, because on 1st of August it is been seen that the exam was like of a tougher level, you can say that moderate to difficult level. But in shift, I'm not talking about shift 1 shift 2, because shift 3 I like from sources I have known that shift 3 and 4 was of moderate to difficult, 2 is also moderate, and 1 is also moderate. Okay, so I just want, from this video I just want to give a short message, so that the students who are going to give their exam on 7th August did not get panic, or did not get like उन्हें शॉक ना लगे कि यस हमारा एग्ज़ाम भी लाइक थोड़ा वो हुआ है, मतलब कम अटैम्प्ट्स हुए हैं। और रिगार्डिंग दैट, लुक, सबसे पहले मैं आपको एक एडवाइस करूंगा, जो आरआरबी पीओ के ये आपके जो मॉक्स हैं लाइक डिफरेंट सोर्सेज से, जैसे आपके ग्रेड अप हो गया, अड्डा हो गया, what I have seen that they are not giving the questions according to the exam level of reasoning and mathematics. I'm talking about this quants and this reasoning section. Whatever mocks they are providing with respect to their mock test, it is not like you can say that of exam level for PO. I am only talking for RRB PO prelims. Okay, because like I also have given that particular mocks, but I didn't get that much of benefit from that particular mocks, from because I have like given this grade up also, this adda 247 mocks also, you can say that the test book also I have given 1-2 mocks, and olive board also. Okay, ओलिव बोर्ड मुझे थोड़ा बहुत सही लगा था शुरू में, बट ओलिव बोर्ड भी ठीक है, लेवल रहता है उसमें। लुक, वन थिंग आई जस्ट वांट टू लाइक हाईलाइट दैट इन most of the mocks you are not going to get that question which, or that level of the question which is actually being asked in the current scenario of the exam for this RRB PO prelims. So my single advice to all the aspirants or all the viewers who are watching this video right now, try to attempt the mocks, like try to attempt those mocks which is being like created, or you can say that based on 1st of August. मतलब मेरे कहने का ये मतलब है कि जो 1st of August के 4 शिफ्ट हुए थे, मतलब वॉट एवर द एग्ज़ाम वॉज हेल्ड इन दोज 4 शिफ्ट्स ऑफ 1st of August, ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट दोज मॉक्स, बिकॉज दैट मॉक्स you are going to get the question which is being asked in the actual scenario of the exam, and you, based on that particular mock, try to like practice on those variety of questions, so that you have एक पकड़ हो जाए कि आप जब क्या बोलते हैं 7th of August को एग्ज़ाम देने जाओगे तो आपका एग्ज़ाम थोड़ा इफ़ेक्टिव और एफिशिएंट हो। लुक, आई एम गिविंग अ वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एडवाइस, बिकॉज दिस एडवाइस यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट फ्रॉम different channels. Why? Because I have recognized this, because in shift 4 I have given the exam, and like I have also given different mocks. I am not getting that I have not get that level of question which I have attempted in those mocks. So I would advise to the candidates to try to give those mocks of the exam which was conducted on like 1st of August. यानी जो भी एग्ज़ाम like 1st of August के 4 शिफ्ट में हुए थे, like आपको 4 मॉक्स मिलेंगे फॉर श्योर, क्योंकि अलग अलग शिफ्ट के वो देते हैं, like डेट वाइज देते हैं मॉक्स। try to attempt those 4 mocks before the exam, so that you have an actual like overview, you can say that overview of the exam. You have an actual, you can say that the real questions which has been asked in the RRB PO prelims. You have an idea that what type of question they are targeting right now, so that accordingly you are going to practice those questions in this like current scenario of the time period you have before 7th of August. Okay, so again, these two advice I from my side, because I have given the shift 4 and I have like found difficult level, or you can say that moderate to difficult level in my shift, and whatever the mocks I have given before my exam was not at all I have given like I have get a question regarding in the exam. Look, दो चीज़ें और मैं एड्रेस करना चाहूँगा लाइक मैथ्स और रीजनिंग में मैं ये कहूँगा कि आपको मतलब जो भी आप मॉक्स दे रहे हैं, मे बी आपको क्या बोलते हैं वो लेवल मिल जाए, थोड़ा बहुत मिलेगा. लुक, एक चीज़ मैं आपको क्लियर कर दूं कि 2 पजल फॉर श्योर दे आर गोइंग टू गिव लाइक यू कैन से दैट द टफ पजल, लाइक टफ भी नहीं कहूँगा, मॉडरेट टू डिफ़िकल्ट पजल वेयर यू एक्चुअली स्टक, जहाँ पे लाइक जिसकी प्रैक्टिस अच्छी होगी वो उस पजल को लाइक यू कैन से दैट क्लियर कर लेगा, लाइक उसको निकाल लेगा पजल को एट दैट पर्टिकुलर ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम. बट द वन हु इज़ नॉट दैट गुड इन प्रैक्टिसिंग दोज पजल्स इज़ लाइक get stuck in that particular puzzle, and the exam is going to be spoiled for that particular candidate who is not aware of this like the toughness of the exam. So I would advise to all the candidates, try to practice on like आप क्या बोलते हैं जो एग्ज़ाम में करंट सिनारियो में जो क्वेश्चंस आए थे, लाइक मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में एक बहुत ही लाइक ब्रीफ मतलब एक आप कह सकते हो बहुत ही एक्यूरेट प्रिसाइज एग्ज़ाम एनालिसिस दिया था, जो मैंने मतलब 1 अगस्त को दिया था. तो अगर आपको क्वेश्चन के रिगार्डिंग कोई डाउट है तो आप वो वीडियो देख करके आप ये मतलब अपने आप को वो सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हो कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली वाज आस्क्ड ऑन 1 अगस्त. ओके, इन डिफरेंट शिफ्ट्स एंड इन माय शिफ्ट 4. ओके, सो दैट यू हैव एन एनालिसिस, और यू कैन से दैट एक ओवरव्यू बन जाए कि आप जब मतलब अपने एग्ज़ाम्स को परफॉर्म करने जाओगे 7 अगस्त को, like in different shifts again, so that whatever the level of the question they are going to give in on that particular day 7th of August, you are ready to like clear the questions in the exam. You are not going to stuck in questions at on that day. Okay, so this is again my advice. Try to practice quantitative aptitude as compared to reasoning section more. Why I'm saying that? Because quantitative aptitude, they are like they are giving like difficult, according to me they are giving moderate to difficult section of quantitative aptitude section as compared to this reasoning section. So one whose reasoning is like moderate or good, मतलब मेरा कहने का मतलब है जिसका रीजनिंग लाइक अच्छा हो या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा हो, तो वो फोकस करे लाइक क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन पे, बिकॉज क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन थोड़ा टफ पूछ रहे हैं वो क्वेश्चंस, लाइक आपको ईजिली नहीं होगा, आपको एग्ज़ाम में थोड़ा सा लाइक टाइम देना पड़ेगा, और वो जो टाइम दे वो टाइम आप मतलब एक्चुअल में एग्ज़ाम में दोगे वो ही लाइक आपको क्या बोलते हैं एक तरह से लो करता है एग्ज़ाम में. सो दैट तो इसलिए मेरा एक पर्पस था ये वीडियो लाइक बनाने का कि आपको एक आइडिया रहे कि जो अभी करंट टाइम पीरियड है लाइक 3 to 4 days, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू राइट नाउ in this particular days. You have to like practice only those questions which has been asked in the current scenario of the exam, or you can say that on 1st of August 2021 in all shift. I'm not talking about a particular shift, in all 4 shifts. Okay, so this is my advice. And lastly, if you ask me, look, don't go for number of attempts. Again I am saying, because there are a lot many candidates who are emphasizing on this number of attempt, that they are attempting 58, 60, 64, but their accuracy is less. So अगर आप 60 या 56 या 58 भी करते हो और अगर आपकी एक्यूरेसी बहुत बेकार है, लाइक आप कह सकते हो कि अच्छी नहीं है एक्यूरेसी, लाइक देन इट इज़ बीइंग डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर यू टू क्लियर द एग्ज़ाम. बट यू हैव, अगर आपने अटैम्प्ट लाइक इफ़ यू हैव अटैम्प्टेड अराउंड 54 to 55 or 56 to 58 also with a good accuracy, then you have a very good chances of clearing this exam. Because based on 1st of August, I have seen that they have given the paper of to moderate to difficult level in all the 4 shifts. So try to prepare accordingly so that you have a good chances of clearing this prelims. Otherwise you are not going to give this mains exam. Look, I have also done some mistake in this particular exam. That's the reason of giving you a feedback of what I have not performed in the exam. You do not do that particular thing wrong in your shifts or on your day. Okay, so this is my advice. And if you have any queries regarding the questions, level of the questions, you can ask in the comment section. For sure, if the questions are relevant, I'm going to address this question, address that particular question based on your queries. Okay, so this is it. And lastly again I am saying RRB PO का जो प्रीलिम्स है 7th of August में, उसमें आप क्या बोलते हैं, कोशिश करें कि जितना भी आप क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं वो एक्यूरेसी के साथ करें, मतलब ऐसे तुक्का ना मारें, बिकॉज तुक्का मारोगे तो आपका निगेटिव भी जाएगा, वो क्वेश्चंस भी जाएंगे. So it's totally up to you, because accuracy does matters in these particular exams of RRB PO and RRB clerk. We have in after 10 to 15 days RRB clerk का भी exam है. We will discuss later in the video, but in this particular video I have told you very specific feedback which I found important for the candidate who are going to give their exam on next week or next Sunday, you can say that. Okay, on 7th of August. Okay, so this is my advice. And lastly, if you are liking the channel, do subscribe the channel, do like my videos if you found that whatever feedback I am giving is relevant to you regarding the regarding the exam information. Okay, I used to give exact information so that you are going to perform well in the exam at each level. You are get आपको क्या बोलते हैं, चीज़ें पता हो कि what type of questions they are actually asking in the current scenario. Okay, so this is it. And lastly again, if you are liking the videos, do subscribe the channel. Any queries you can ask in the comment section. Any question you want to share, you can share in the comment section. And those candidates who know the answer of whatever the shift they have given, if you know that particular answer of that particular question, you can comment in the comment section also. Okay, so that every viewers or every aspirants, every students have an you can say that an overview of the real exam, what the exact questions they have asked in different shift. Okay, so this is it. I have tried to give you a very precise feedback on 1st of August. You can watch my previous videos which I have uploaded, latest self-given exam analysis, where you can have an overview that what type of questions they have asked, what type of puzzle they have targeted in the current scenario of RRB PO prelims. Okay, so this is it. And lastly again, if you have any queries, you can comment in the comment section. Okay, so this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raj Deepak Singh. Thank you.